If you want to use more color in your wardrobe and you're my generation, this is my roadmap. A lot of you know Y.Chroma for our obsession with European textiles and build quality, and I love that, right? But take a closer look. Hidden right there in plain sight are our color plans. Your personal strategy to just nailing color in your everyday looks. What we did was group the pieces our customers love most into 5 color plans. They follow the real, often hidden rules of what makes color work for men. Each plan captures the colors and just the energy of the place I've lived. Get in there and explore that. I promise one of them is just gonna speak to you. Here's something funny guys always tell me: flip through these with the person you sleep with, or maybe the person you wish you did. It's just wild seeing how excited they get, seeing you in a color maybe you hadn't considered before. I mean, wouldn't you wanna know that? Think of it like your personal store, stocked with pieces you'll love to wear, but in colors that work for you. You mix them however you want, it all just works because every piece is in your palette, a disciplined palette. Wearing color really well is easier than you think. Let's get you a map to the city, brother.